It starts out of nowhere. You're walking down the street and a sharp electric shock strikes your lower body, shooting from your hip all the way to your foot. Suddenly, everyday actions become grueling. Sitting down, standing up, or even just coughing can trigger a blinding bolt of pain. Yet, a physical examination of that agonizing leg often reveals a biological paradox. The muscles are healthy, the bones are strong, and the skin is untouched. There is no physical damage to the limb itself. This pain is a neurological illusion, a false alarm screaming at maximum volume from a structurally perfect limb. Stopping this phantom fire requires ignoring the leg entirely. We have to trace the body's electrical wiring backward to find the hidden misfire at the start of the circuit. To find the source, we move beneath the skin and past the muscle layers, focusing on the deep neural pathways connecting your feet to your brain. This is the sciatic nerve. It is the largest nerve in the human body, functioning as a massive, high-speed electrical cable carrying a constant stream of signals. We can follow this route in reverse, moving from the sole of the foot, through the calf, and deep behind the glutes. At the lower lumbar spine, this massive cable frays outward into individual nerve roots that plug directly into the spinal column. This specific junction in the lower back is the most vulnerable point in the body's electrical system and the most likely place for a structural failure to occur. The spine is built on a mechanical architecture of hard bone scaffolding and soft gel-like cushions called discs that act as biological shock absorbers. Years of repetitive stress or improper heavy lifting can cause this architecture to fail. The result is a herniated disc, where the soft inner material of the cushion begins to rupture and bulge outward. This bulging tissue enters the spinal canal and clamps down directly onto the fragile nerve roots we just traced. This creates a massive translation error in the brain. The distress signal originates from the pinched root, but the brain projects the sensation of burning pain all the way down the foot. Sciatica is a mechanical compression problem, a localized electrical short circuit that tricks the body into feeling pain where there is no injury. For years, the standard response to this nerve pain was total immobilization and strict bed rest. We now know that restricting movement often makes the condition worse. It increases spinal stiffness and allows inflammation to settle around the already irritated nerve. The modern approach uses active walking and targeted stretches to increase blood circulation, which helps clear out that inflammation. Movement acts as a mechanical tool to stabilize the spine, stretch tight muscles, and physically pull pressure away from the compressed nerve. Strengthening the core muscles creates a biological internal brace. This support reduces the load placed on the spinal discs and creates permanent space for the nerve roots to function. When the physical blockage is too severe for exercise to resolve, surgical procedures can manually cut away the bulging tissue to free the trapped nerve. Long-term prevention relies on reducing daily spinal stress through weight management, maintaining proper posture, and lifting safely. Maintaining the spine as a load-bearing structure clears the electrical pathways and permanently deactivates the false warning lights in the leg.